Choosing the perfect electric vehicle, EV, for young couples can feel like navigating a minefield. It's not just about finding a cool car. It's about balancing affordability, practicality, and long-term savings in a world where every dollar counts. For a generation already juggling student loans, rent, and rising costs, the question of whether EVs truly deliver on their promise of savings is more critical than ever. And TikTok is buzzing with young couples figuring it out together. Take Jenny Cyber at Jenny Cyber, for instance. After her family's trusty Toyota Prius hybrid finally called it quits, she turned to the digital masses for advice. "We really don't know a whole lot about EVs," she admitted, echoing the sentiment of many in her generation. Her plea for guidance highlights a universal challenge. How do you pick the right EV when you're on a tight budget and the options seem endless? But here's where it gets controversial. While EVs, and this is the part most people miss, apartment dwellers or renters without garage access aren't out of luck, but they'll need to rely on public charging stations. While reliability has improved, J.D. Power surveys show that satisfaction with public charging still lags far behind home charging. Apps like PlugShare can help locate stations, but crowded or broken chargers remain a headache. Charging and financing, the real deal breakers. For most first-time EV buyers, the first question isn't which model to choose, it's how they'll charge it. Home charging is ideal, but it's not always feasible. Tesla owners have an edge here, thanks to the expansive supercharger network. But starting in 2025, competitors like Kia, Hyundai, and Ford will gain compatibility with the North American charging standard, leveling the playing field. Sticker prices are just the tip of the iceberg. EVs typically cost less to operate than gas cars, with the U.S. Energy Department estimating EV drivers spend about 6 cents per mile on electricity, compared to 10 cents per mile for gas. But here's the catch. Insurance costs for EVs can be 15 to 25% higher due to expensive repairs and specialized parts. Federal tax credits of up to $7,500 can help offset upfront costs, but eligibility rules can be tricky. Matching the car to your lifestyle. Once charging and costs are sorted, the fun begins, finding a model that fits your daily life. Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y remain crowd favorites for their ease of use and reliable charging access. The Model Y's SUV practicality and the Model 3's affordability performance balance make them standout choices. Kia's EV6 and EV9 are strong contenders too, offering competitive range, stylish designs, and long warranties. The EV6 boasts up to 310 miles of range, while the 3-row EV9 is perfect for couples planning for the future. Ford's Mustang Mach-E combines performance and practicality, and its growing used market makes it more accessible. The F-150 Lightning pickup appeals to those who want fuel savings without sacrificing utility. Other options like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, Chevrolet Blazer EV, and Volkswagen ID4 offer different trade-offs in price, size, and features. But here's the bold question. Are you willing to wait for newer models with better tech, or is now the time to jump in? The bottom line: confidence over hype. The best EV for a young couple is the one that aligns with their charging situation, budget, and lifestyle. For Jenny Cyber and her husband, the decision will boil down to understanding charging setups, calculating real-world costs, and finding a model that fits their life. Is the move from hybrid to all-electric worth it? That depends on whether the numbers add up for you. What do you think? Is the upfront cost of an EV worth the long-term savings, or is it still too risky for young couples? Let us know in the comments.